Hi, I put a little message out there that I am not going to do the two channels. I'm going to do my reading. I'm just going to combine the channels. It's just going to be easier, less daunting for me. And yes, I'm probably being a little bit lazy, but at the moment, with my life being so hectic, it would just make it easier right at the moment. So you can see my babies. Whoop! Hey, Jay. Hey, JPJ, baby boy. Aw, he's such a good boy. And there's little bee. There's little bee. There's little bee. Just what you need me to just get them all wound up. And then just go boop. Sorry, that was mean. Okay, a minute in already. Bounce. And I am going to continue reading chapter 2 in the Walk in the Light series by Todd Bennett. Restoration. Okay, we are on chapter 2 of Walking Through the Light series, Restoration. It's book number 1 out of 12. Author Todd Bennett. I will put a link down there to his website and to also his YouTube channel. Also, as always, I stutter, I stammer, I'm slow, cannot pronounce words half the time. So I appreciate you bearing with me. I also may go off on a rant. So with that said, we're going to continue. Let's do this. It is 11:30 at night. After the transgression in the garden, both Adam and Hawa, which is Eve, were expelled and denied access to the tree of life. This resulted in death entering mankind, which again was directly linked to the rest of creation. The spiritual impact was immediate. Prior to the fall, Adam could commune directly with Elohim in an intimate fashion which no created being was able to do subsequent to the fall. After being expelled from the garden, he was separated from that communion. Death also began to take hold of his physical body as well as the rest of creation, which is what I was just saying. Those things which were made to last forever began to die, and while mankind was originally created in his image, in the image of Elohim, the offspring of Adam, beginning with Seth, were born in the image of Adam, not the image of Yahweh. And I mean, you think about it. I mean, people today are always looking for the fountain of youth, and I mean, everywhere you go on TV, it's all about staying young, living longer, plastic surgery, makeup, pills. I mean, you name it. Everybody's trying to live longer, stay younger. Bereshit 5, chapter 5, verse 3. Oh my goodness, I guess maybe I should go to bed. I'm not tired. I just can't speak. Adam contained the breath of life, which cannot be killed, but he existed in a body which was once eternal, but now was dying. As a result, his offspring were born in the same state. With sin and death present on earth, mankind continued to sin and become more evil as time passed. Bereshit 6:5, which is Genesis. This sin took its toll on mankind and all of creation until judgment was rendered through the flood. The scriptures record that the windows of heaven opened as well as the foundation of the earth, which resulted in the global flood. The windows of heaven was the transparent firmament that we discussed in the previous chapter, which contained an enormous amount of water, enough to flood the entire planet. The foundations of the deep were likely opened through a meltdown or series of meltdowns. One can imagine the enormous impact that such an event would have upon the planet. As scientists and the Order of Lyell attempt to explain geological column based upon the consistency of natural law and assuming the kinds of causes which affected the earth in the past have been exactly those we see in operation today, such as erosion, sediment deposits, volcanic action, earthquakes, etc. Their theories will clearly fall short when the consistency which they rely upon is removed. Alrighty. The flood did not fit within the construct of the constant orderly changes, and thus they became stigmatized because of the effects of the flood. Of course, it was foolish of them to expect order and consistency when their own theories were premised on randomness, chaos, and cataclysmic events that formed the universe. Consistency, the quality of being faithful and dependable, the quality of being enduring and unchanging. Anyway, I'm going to stop there, make this super short. I really don't have a whole lot to say about that. I mean, we see that mankind is decaying. We see that the earth is decaying. We see, I think, due to the sin, the storms that are happening. There's so many signs on this earth. There's so many signs around the world of things happening, be it sinkholes, be it storms, be it floods, be it anything. I think are all signs that things are coming to an end. I do think that the time is coming really near. I really, as much as I hate to believe it, and I hope I'm wrong, I honestly believe that we're going to see end time signs like no other in my day. I honestly believe that it's that close. And again, people say, oh, they've been saying that for years, but if you look at the signs, they seem like there's so much more, they're so much closer. It just is, it's crazy. So, and again, I hope I am wrong, but I just feel it. I feel like things are happening so fast and furious that they may happen in my day, unless I don't wake up tomorrow. Alrighty then, I will get this edited and out there, and I'm almost done with chapter 2. Alrighty, I'll be finishing that up in the next video. Y'all have a good night. Thank you. Bye.